All right, I just got this. It comes with 2 sets of bolts and washers and this handy dandy pamphlet that kind of tells you everything that you need to know. Green power. Here it is, green power, 12.8 volts, 100 AH mini lithium iron phosphate deep cycle battery. So this thing here will charge up. I got to get a solar panel, I guess. And I think they might be sending me one. But let's pull it out of the box. There it is. Woo, I got it out. Here it is. It comes with, this thing was on this terminal. Let me put it back on there. So that's the hot and that's the neutral, I guess. And that's it right there, man. Look at it. Now the question is, where's the solar panel? I need a solar panel to charge this bad boy up, and an inverter and all that other stuff. But I guess we're gonna have to do a little bit of reading. And of course we wanna save these, because we don't know what we're gonna use those for. I think we're gonna screw them right into here to attach our wires. But yeah, so here's what we get. That's the unboxing. There's the box. And we're just gonna have to get a solar panel and hook it up and see how it works.